Alright, so you saw the title of the video, but I do want to preface this video just a little bit more to give you a little bit more of a picture to what's going on. A few months back, I had brought one of my custom-built mechanical keyboards into the office with me. It was at that time my boss had discovered that I love building custom mechanical keyboards. I mean, who wouldn't? It's a fun hobby. So after falling head over heels and drooling over my desk over my mechanical keyboard,
I'm just looking.
He had asked me if I would build him a custom keyboard of his own, to which I replied, yeah, absolutely, because I mean, again, it's fun. Of course I'm gonna build you a mechanical keyboard. If you ask me, I'm gonna build you a mechanical keyboard. Now, there was a bit of a curveball to this request that I didn't see coming, because not only did he ask me if I could build him a mechanical keyboard, he asked me if I could build him an ergonomic mechanical keyboard. Now, for me, I've never built an ergonomic mechanical keyboard before, nor have I ever tried one. And that leads us to about, I don't know, 5 months later or so. I made him wait for it. I'm finally building the guy a keyboard he asked for, and I don't know if he's gonna like it. Introducing the ABM 066 Division mechanical keyboard designed by Sidhu. This is a 65% Alice style mechanical keyboard and features a plastic casing, hot swap PCB, RGB lighting, a volume knob, and a customizable LCD screen. It also features tri-mode connectivity and is VIA compatible, enabling you to customize your keyboard's layouts. Now, the reason I'm concerned he may not like this keyboard is because there was actually very little collaborative conversations we had that went into building it. There were a few reasons behind that. Number one, I decided to bless the guy and build this out of my own pocket. Number two, I wanted to simply surprise him, because who doesn't love a good surprise when they arrive to work? And number three, because this is his first custom keyboard, I wanted to start the guy where I recommend anyone start when they enter the world of custom keyboards: inexpensive. I recommend this so that people can get a feel for what they think they might like and work up from there in price. The barebone version of this keyboard is currently sitting at a very budget-friendly price point of $60 USD on Amazon, which you can find linked in the description of this video if this keyboard is of interest to you. For the switches, I actually found a pack of 73 of these guys on eBay for only $15 USD, which was a pretty good deal, and they're Prelude. They're the Adamu Silent Honey Peach linear switch, and seeing that he'll be in an office environment most of the time, I saw these fitting. But first, I need to test the stabilizers to make sure that they're good to go and that they don't require any further modifications before inserting more switches into the keyboard. In the interest of keeping things somewhat inexpensive for this build, I went ahead and went with these custom keycaps off Amazon as well. They're double shot and they are PBT and ABS mix. With personalities of white, black, and a nice blue hue, I really think he's gonna appreciate this aspect of the keyboard. These stabilizers are surprisingly really good. Some of these Alice style keyboards come with 2-letter Bs, B for Bravo. I had no idea. Unfortunately, the set didn't come with that, so I had to improvise with a period.
You think he'll notice?
For the finishing touch, I added a few of these fancy cherry profile keycaps that I purchased for plans to use in another video, but I think they'll look really great here as well. The bottom right shift key, probably my biggest challenge of the entire build. Not only did the keycap set not come with 2-letter Bs, it also didn't come with the correct size shift key for this keyboard.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
I ended up stealing one from my Yunzi keyboard so I can complete this build, but actually I think it looks pretty good. Lastly, I want to mention a really important note that this keyboard is marketed that it works with Windows and Mac. However, as a Mac user myself, it's pretty much next to impossible for me to customize the LCD screen without the software, which is really geared toward PC. So if you're a Mac user like myself and you want this keyboard, you may have to borrow a friend's PC in order to customize that LCD screen. Not the end of the world, but please take note of that. Well, hopefully my boss loves this keyboard. I would do a type test for you guys, but I don't know how to type on this thing, so I'm just gonna leave that be. If you got value out of this video, would you do me a favor and just simply hit the like button for me? That actually helps the video and the channel out a lot. And subscribe to the channel today for more mechanical keyboard and related content.